Good morning students. Welcome to Computer Graphics and Multimedia Lab class. On today video class, I will discuss the rest of the lab works. So start with the lab work 7. Procedure to position the picture preferably on a plain background of a color as per your choice, and positioning includes rotation and scaling. Then next one is you have to change the brightness and contrast of the picture so that it gives an elegant look. So you have to prepare two things. One is your picture should be rotated by rotate and scaling option, and your picture brightness and contrast can be changed. Let's start. Open the flash. Next, change the background to any color as per your selection inside your property inspector panel. Then import a picture file in stage area. The procedure is click in file, import to stage, open picture folder, select the file, click in open. Now the file is set on your background of your layer number 1. Next it asks you to change the size of the picture. So how to change? Same, select the picture, go to the property inspector panel, change the width and height as 150 and 150. Automatically the size is resized with 150 height and 150 width. Then for rotation of picture, you have to select the picture, click in modify menu, then click in transform, then click in rotate and skew option. Then manually you have to rotate the picture by mouse. Next, rotate and scale means this scale and rotate option is available inside your transform option. Okay, so you have to click in transform, then click in scale and rotate. Now it's showing you this dialog box where you have to specify the scale as 150% and rotate as 60 degree. Then click in OK. So here I am specifying 150 and 60. You may write anything as per your requirement. Okay. So after clicking in OK, your picture becomes rotate to 60 degree and your scale is increased to 150. Previously it was 100. Now it became 150. Okay. Next is for adjust or changing of brightness and contrast of your picture. So for this you have to convert that picture to a symbol. Then go to property inspector panel, click in property, then on your property option one color option is there, click in brightness, change the brightness amount by increase or decrease of your value. Then the color option is there, where teen is there, you can change the RGB value also. Like such too many options are there, like your alpha is also there. So here you are able to change any option and change the value of that selected option. Okay. So after opening of flash, the first step is you have to change the background color. Now see, this is your property inspector panel where I am selecting the background. You may change any background. Then it asks you to import a picture file. So for import, click in file, click in import to stage, and here the picture folder is there. Click it, select the file, click on open. Now the picture file is totally placed on your stage. Now you have to decrease the size. So how to decrease? Click on your width and height of your property inspector panel. So here I am deleting the previous value, write 150, height as 150. Now see, your picture file size is too much of small. Then it asks you to rotate. So how you are able to rotate this picture? Your option is you have to select this one. By free transform tool, I am selecting the picture, click in modify, click in transform, then rotate and scale skew option is there. Okay, so click in rotate and skew. Manually by pressing mouse you can rotate the picture. Okay, so manually I can rotate this picture. Then again go for modify, transform. Another one option is there, that is called scale and rotate. Here previously 100% is there. You change the scale value to 150 and rotate degree you may assign any value. So as per my choice I am assigning 60 degree. Okay, scale is increased to 150 and your flower is rotated to 60 degree. Next is for changing the brightness and contrast of your picture. So first you have to convert this picture to symbol. Right click, convert to symbol, then OK. Okay. Now on your property inspector panel, one color option is there. So click on this option. Here the brightness is there, and brightness amount you may increase or decrease as per your choice. See. Okay. I make a duplicate copy. Then here in color option, tint is there. Now see, here the specified color is there. You can change the color. Then increase the value or decrease it. Now again go for color option. The alpha is there. Here also you can change the alpha amount. Now see, these are the three output of color option. It may be brightness change or decrease, and tint option is there, and alpha is there. Okay. So the next lab work is procedure to type a word and rotate it as 90 degree CW and rotate it as 90 degree CCW. Apply the effect shadow embosses. Means on your text you have to rotate by these two options. These are having two output, and the shadow effect is to be checked by bevel option. So you have to open the flash, then select the text tool, type any word inside the stage. Select that word by using free transform tool. Click in modify, click in transform, then click in rotate 90 degree, or you may click in rotate 90 degree CCW. Then we will be getting two different output. Now as per shadow effect, click in filter option from the property inspector panel. Means click in filter option plus symbol, select bevel, change the shadow color and highlight color. As this is the dialog box is display on your property inspector, you have to select this bevel option. Now blur X value is there, you can increase or decrease. Y is there, strength can be changed, quality can be changed, shadow color is changed, highlight color can be changed, angle is also there, distance is there, knockout option is there, and type, outer, inner, these are the different options are there. Change one by one option, then check the output of your selected text. Now we move to Flash where we can check all these options. So first one is you have to type the text. Click in text tool. You can increase the size of your text also. Here the font name can be changed, style can be changed. Now drag on your stage area and type down your text. Over. Now the text is written. Click in free transform tool. Now first one is your rotate to 90 degree CW. So go for modify, transform, rotate, CW. Now see. This is your output of rotate CW. Now next is, now press Ctrl Z for undo the object. Okay. Now next, modify, transform, rotate 90 degree CCW. Click here. And see, this is the output of rotate 90 degree CCW. So here you will be getting two different output as for 90 degree CW and 90 degree CCW. Again I am pressing Ctrl Z. Over. Next is it asks for shadow embossment. So this one is selected with free transform tool. Go for your property inspector panel. Here the filter option is there. Click in filter. Click in plus. Click in bevel. Now shadow color is there. Change it. I am changing to red as highlight color. Angle. Just move the mouse. See, it's going and changing. Okay. Distance. Like such a manner you can change the format of your filter option, that is called your shadow embosses of your text. Okay. Procedure to prepare a cover page for the book in your subject area. So first you have to open one new Flash document. Then go to property inspector panel where you have to specify the stage area as per your book size. So how you will be changing it? Go for property inspector panel, click in size and change the width and height as 350 and 400, which is for book cover page size. Then select the text tool. As you know, for selecting the text tool, you can type lots of text on your book cover page area, and you can select the picture also by inputting the picture into the stage. Then how to change the design or effect of your text. So for design, you have to select that text by clicking in free transform tool. Then right click, go for timeline effect, click in effect, one blur option is there, then click in OK. So here you will be getting some different output because you have selected the blur option. Again, for the next effect, you can prefer the expand also, where both option is there. You click in both. Again, here also one different output you will be getting. Then next, explode option is there, where also you will be getting one different output. So follow the above step to apply it in the text as well as picture also. Let's see in the Flash how it looks like. So here already I have designed the book cover by using some text tool, picture. Here inside the circle I am writing this text also, and here the picture is there. Throughout the picture free CD, the text is also there. Okay, so I have already set the effect into this total cover page. So how I am setting now, see, select this text, right click, timeline effect, here the blur option is there. Okay, already the blur option is selected. You can go for expand also, explode also. Now expand is there. Okay. Now explode is there. Now see the output. I am pressing Ctrl Enter. Now see, this is the output of your different text timeline effect. Apply it to text along with your picture also. Procedure to design a visiting card containing at least one graphic and text information. So as I am selecting this design card, where your company name should be written, that is called your business of your business name or company name, and below that you may write your proprietor name. Along with, you have to design the logo by using some graphics. Okay, so here the logo is to be placed. Then you have to specify your contact number, means your land phone number or your mobile number also, along with your email ID and your website also. Okay, then main important thing is the company slogan. You have to write some short note or related to your company, that is called your company slogan. Here you have to place the company slogan. Okay, so this visiting card you are preparing just like your same cover page of your book. Same features are there. You have to use the text along with your graphics, and you have to put some timeline effect for your text, for your picture also. Okay.